Hello, Assalamu alaikum. May peace be upon you, and we think you all will be okay. And now we are going to start our conversation session, and I will ask some question to Muhammad Yunus, and inshallah he will reply in a better way, and he will give his best as he must give. And sir, first of all, I will ask you a question about your study. Uh, what type of study have you done today?
I have done today that some words meaning of English.
And can you tell us the words that you have memorized
Yeah,
today?
like adapt,
Yeah, what is the meaning of this word adapt?
adapt means skillful, chatur,
Yes. Next.
and apology, and I memorized other many words.
Mm, can you tell us? But I think you are unable to tell all words that you have memorized today. Now, I will ask you next question. And how many hours have you given to your study today?
I have given almost 2 or 3 hours.
Only 2 or 3 hours.
Yeah,
And what were you doing mm, another hour in another hour?
I have edited video and
And
I had gone to the field and
what?
I
Yeah, yeah. Told.
I had taught children.
Okay. And what have you gone to field for?
I had gone to the field because I had brown food of animals.
And what else do you want to take?
Yeah,
Have you taken dinner?
yeah, I have taken dinner.
And I will suggest to you in this session that you must memorize something or you must study something as a way that you should tell here in this session, right?
Yeah.
Now, friends, we are going to close this session. Thank you.